What if you could dive into your music like it's live and still hear everything happening around you? Today, I'm trying out the Sanag S6S open-ear earbuds, and believe me, you've never heard anything like this. First impression, the color, starburst purple. It's vibrant and eye-catching. Inside the package, you'll find the earbuds, a USB-C charging cable, and a brief startup guide. Nothing superfluous, just the basics. Each bud weighs only 3.5 grams, making them feel almost weightless. Now let's discuss sound quality. The ACS panoramic stereo envelops you in audio, strings soaring, drums delivering a powerful punch, yet you can still hear your own footsteps and the noise around you. It feels like having a surround sound setup right on your ears. Typically, open-ear technology allows sound to leak out easily, but Sanag's directional audio reduces leakage by an impressive 98%. I cranked up the volume, and nobody next door seemed to notice. On top of that, their healthier algorithm ensures your hearing stays protected, even during extended use. This nickel titanium bridge, you can bend it, twist it, it always returns to its original shape. And wearing these for hours, I actually forgot they were there. They're ideal for long journeys or those never-ending Zoom meetings. Speaking of calls, I took one while listening to music nearby. Thanks to advanced AI noise reduction, the background sounds disappeared. My friend thought I was in a recording studio. As for controls, a double tap for answering or playing, and 3 taps for skipping. Straightforward and easy to use. Need bass-heavy tracks for your workouts? Or a flat studio-like sound for editing? The Sana Acoustic app allows you to adjust the audio to your preference. And if you lose a bud, the app's tracking feature will help you locate it. Battery life? You'll enjoy 7.5 hours on a single charge and up to 38 hours with the case. That's days of listening pleasure. Plus, with IPX4 water resistance, sweat or rain won't hold you back. Open-ear sensation, engaging sound, all-day comfort, and features that truly make sense. So, what's the first song or podcast you would try out on these? Share your choice in the comments. If you're excited about the Sanag S6S, tap like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss our next audio journey. See you soon.